Welcome to MiEN Showroom. Today I want to walk you through two products. The first one has been a staple in our lineup for years. It's called FLEX Steps. And then from there I'll introduce you to the new version, FLEX Step EVO. Come join me as we take a look at the features and benefits of FLEX Steps. So kicking it off with FLEX Steps, as I mentioned, it's a staple in the MiEN lineup that many users have grown to love over the years. Here's a couple things that you can do with FLEX Steps. First, it comes in a two-step, an inside corner and outside corner, as well as a three-step. There is also the ability to integrate power into FLEX Steps as well. Now, what a lot of end users love about this solution is every single panel that you see here is independently wrapped and attached to a wood substrate with metal-to-metal connections. What that means for the client is if a panel gets damaged while in use, it's a simple switch out. You just flip it over, read off the sticker to see what the model number is and the panel it's from, and we'll remanufacture a new one to send in to you. One additional thing that end users love about FLEX Steps is the ability to specify each panel with an independent color. It really allows for a visually interesting piece that enhances a space and draws users further in. So that's FLEX Steps. Now let's head on over and let's check out FLEX Step EVO. What I wanted to point out for you on FLEX Step EVO that's different from FLEX Step is the vertical surfaces. They're going to all be high pressure laminate. Now what that means for you is if you look around the rest of the space that these are going to go into, there's an ability for you to specify that laminate to give you a nice cohesive look. Best part is when you work with our design team, the sky is the limit in the amount of choices that you have. Another reason a lot of clients will go with FLEX Step EVO is because the high pressure laminate is easy clean and it's located in a spot where usually the feet might be engaging with the product. Thank you for the opportunity to share FLEX Steps and the new FLEX Step EVO with you. Here on our website, if you want more information, click here. One of the members of our design team or sales team will reach out to you within 24 hours. While there, scroll down and consider clicking on the different specs, options, and downloads that are associated with both products. We look forward to the opportunity to work with you. And in the meantime, consider giving us a follow on LinkedIn. It's there that you'll see a lot of the install shots that are happening around the country with innovative spaces that usually include products like these. Have a great day.